Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we explore the world's most beautiful homes and unforgettable lifestyles. Today, we're taking you inside a stunning $1.3 million private pool villa, a home designed for slow mornings, open-air living, and that peaceful feeling of, I could live here forever. Set in a quiet, lush pocket of northern Phuket, this villa offers the perfect balance of privacy, comfort, and island elegance. Just minutes from the soft white sands of Nha Trang and Nha Torn beaches, this property is surrounded by tropical greenery and gentle mountain views, creating a true sanctuary away from the noise of everyday life. As we arrive, the first thing that stands out is the villa's clean, modern architecture. The exterior design blends natural textures with a refined gray and cream color palette, giving the home a timeless and calming presence. A wide entrance gate opens to a private driveway, instantly setting the tone for luxury and exclusivity. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a bright, open-plan layout where indoor and outdoor living flow seamlessly together. The living room is spacious and airy, framed by floor-to-ceiling glass doors that invite natural daylight and lush garden views into the space. Soft gray sofas, cream-toned walls, and minimal modern decor create an atmosphere that feels both elegant and relaxed. Just beyond the living area, the TV lounge offers a cozy space to unwind. Whether it's a quiet movie night or entertaining guests, this area is designed for comfort without sacrificing style. The neutral color scheme keeps the space calm, while the open layout maintains a strong connection to the outdoors. The kitchen is modern, sleek, and fully equipped, perfect for everyday living or hosting friends and family. Featuring high-end appliances, marble countertops, and a stylish island, this kitchen blends functionality with refined design. Adjacent to it, the dining area is thoughtfully positioned to enjoy natural light, making every meal feel like a special occasion. At the heart of the villa lies the true showstopper, the private swimming pool. Surrounded by sun terraces, tropical plants, and quiet lounging corners, this outdoor space is designed for long afternoons under the sun and unforgettable evenings beneath the stars. It's the kind of space where time slows down, and island life truly begins. The master bedroom is a peaceful retreat, offering direct access to the pool and outdoor areas. Soft gray and cream tones continue throughout, enhancing the sense of calm and luxury. One of the highlights of this suite is the outdoor jacuzzi, a perfect place to relax while enjoying the open sky and warm tropical air. Each of the additional bedrooms is carefully designed with privacy in mind. Some overlook tranquil garden courtyards, while others offer open sky views and gentle mountain glimpses. Every room feels spacious, comfortable, and deeply connected to nature. The bathrooms reflect a spa-like experience, featuring modern fixtures, elegant stone finishes, and a soothing neutral palette. These spaces are designed not just for function, but for relaxation and renewal. This villa also includes a private gym room, allowing you to maintain an active lifestyle without ever leaving home. Large mirrors, modern equipment, and natural light make it a motivating and stylish space to work out. Outdoors, a charming swing seating area adds a playful yet relaxing touch to the villa. It's the perfect spot for morning coffee, afternoon reading, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Completing the home is a modern garage, designed to securely accommodate luxury vehicles while maintaining the villa's clean architectural aesthetic. This property isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a vacation escape, or a smart investment in one of Phuket's most desirable locations, this villa offers timeless appeal, privacy, and effortless luxury. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible homes from around the world. This is American Dream Mansions, and we'll see you in the next luxury tour.